Your world changed yesterday. In what way did Pimco's world change because of the new framework of Chairman Powell?
Well, Tom, I think this is a big deal. Powell
I
came
agree.
out, and it may not be a paradigm shift, but I think this is a significant evolution of how the Fed thinks. And I think Powell is a really good leader. If you look at the inflation, the core PCE inflation, we haven't gotten to the Fed's inflation target mandate since 2005 to 2006. So we have had 15 years of undershooting our inflation in our country. And by the way, the same things happen in Europe and Japan. So I think, Powell has realized this, and they are willing to run the economy hot. And I think he's going to go all in terms of Fed support.
I hate to say this, Lisa, but it's a victory lap for Kiesel. We got to do it this morning. Mark Kiesel, your shop, full disclosure, folks, I visited Newport. I've been to Cappy's Cafe with Mohammed. You guys, with the leadership of Bill and Mohammed, and then following on after that train wreck with your leadership, Mark Kiesel, Pimco has been dead on about a low-rate regime. Do you maintain that low-rate regime, or can you see out 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, where we get back to the normalcy that Chairman Powell desires?
Tom, we think we're probably closer to the lows now in rates, and that's simply because we are going to get, we think, a big fiscal push. It could happen after the election, but monetary policy is going all in. The Fed has been unbelievably supportive for markets, and we think ultimately the mobility data will improve, the economy will start growing again. If we get fiscal infrastructure spending with the Democrats, we could see a much steeper curve, and you could over time see higher rates. So I think we're closer to the lows now, even though, yes, we did think rates would come down, but now I think we're suggesting that with the economic recovery and all the fiscal and monetary policy support, that rates over time could go higher.